morning children. Welcome to Bharat Mata e-learning class children. Hope you all enjoyed the weekend children. Do you remember what we were learning last class? Yes, we were learning how to use and an, where to use and where to use an, isn't it children? We'll continue with that. Okay children, now take out your book children, all of you, the term 1 textbook. Take out the textbook and turn to page number 24. Okay. Now look at the words given here. What is it? A ball, a pot, a kite, a lion, a top, a mop, a book, a tree, and a key. In all these words, we have A written in front of them, isn't it children? All these words are starting with a consonant sound, isn't it? They are all starting with a consonant. Look at the first word, it is starting with B. Next one, P. Then K, L, T, M, B, T, and K. All these words are names of things which are starting with a consonant sound. In front of such words we use a. Okay children, only in front of such words we use a. Okay, now we'll write some of these words into a notebook. Now close your textbook and take out your notebook children, all of you. Have you all taken out your notebook children? Now we shall write the words into the notebook. Okay children, take a fresh page and write the date. The date is 20-7-20. Okay children. Now write the heading. The heading is usage. U-S-A-G-E. Usage of. O-F of. And an. Okay children. You should leave one finger space between these words in the heading. Okay. Now we'll move on to the words. The first word we are writing here is dash ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Second word is dash pot. P-O-T. Pot. Third word is dash lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. The fourth word is dash mop. M-O-P. Mop. And the fifth word is dash book. Okay children. Now we will see what to write in these blanks, whether we should fill it with a or with an. Okay. Now look at the first word. The first word is ball. It starts with B. Is B a consonant or a vowel children? B is a consonant. So we use a before ball. It is a ball. The next word is pot. P is a consonant or a vowel children? It is a consonant. So we use a before pot. The next word is lion. It starts with L and L is a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we use a before a consonant. Next word is a mop. Mop starts with M. M is also a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we use a before mop. A mop. The next word is book. Book starts with B. It is also a consonant. It is not a vowel. So we use a before book. It is a book. Okay children. Now is it clear for you? All these words are names of things which are starting with a consonant sound, not with a vowel. They are all names of things starting with a consonant. So we use a before such words. Okay children, we shall go through these words once again. Okay. A ball, a pot, a lion, a mop, and a book. Okay, children, is it clear for you now? Where to use a? Okay, now the next class we'll see where to use an. Okay, children. Okay, now bye, children. Thank you.